Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to delete a class in Google Classroom. First, unlock your phone and open Google Classroom. Once the app is open, find the class that you want to remove. Once you find the class, tap on the three dots at the top right side of that class. Different options will appear on the screen. From the available options, tap on Archive. Then tap on Archive again to confirm. Since Google Classroom doesn't provide a direct delete option for classes, you can archive the class instead. To view your archived classes, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left side of the screen. Now, tap on Archived Classes. Here, you can view all the classes that you've previously archived. And that's how you can remove a class from your active Google Classroom list by archiving it. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Google Classroom tutorials.